Tanzanians? How are you parents? How are you guardians? How are you teachers? How are you leaders? How are you Minister of Education, Science and Technology? How are you wonderful students of advanced secondary students? How are you pre-Form 5 students? How are you Form 5 students? How are you Form 6 students? I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you into this wonderful session where that we are going to ponder and we are going to discuss in detail about the beauty or about the general introductions of advanced physics. My name is OLENJOLAI Moko. I thank God who have given me a gift of teaching, and I thank God who have given me a gift of engineering. I'll be combining together. However, in this school, I'm going to teach you about the beauty of the Word of God, the beauty of mathematics, advanced pure mathematics, the beauty of basic applied mathematics. I will teach about the beauty of pure science, the beauty of advanced chemistry, and the beauty of advanced physics, and also later on, the beauty of advanced biology. I'm not alone in this wonderful ministry. I am with my beautiful wife, Nekinyi, Olenjolai. We are working together in order to make sure that we build the mindset of Tanzanian to become champions in their advanced secondary education. You're warmly welcome into our online school that called Tanzania Online Advanced Secondary School. This is the digital school, digital online schools. We don't have a physical schools. We are teaching all the students in all the 31 regions. You can access our content anywhere and at any time. You may access even our content. We can teach you even during the midnight. We can teach you even at 2 a.m. We can teach you anytime. We can teach you even at 12 a.m. We can teach you 12 p.m. We can teach you at 5 or 4 p.m., etc., etc. We can teach you at 2. Maybe we can teach at 8 a.m. We can teach you at 9 a.m. We can teach at 11 a.m. anytime and anywhere. And we can teach you at home. We can teach you at your school. We can teach you in your relatives' place, in your tuition center, wherever you are. We can teach you in the car, in the bus, wherever you are. You can access our content. So warmly welcome into this wonderful school. We have some of the official channel, and one of them is this is our official YouTube channel that's called Tanzania Online A-Level Secondary School, in square bracket OLENJOLAIN, whereby N is the first letter of my beautiful wife. But also we have established our official WhatsApp channel, and also we have our official WhatsApp group that's called Tanzania Online O-Level and A-Level Secondary School. Are we together? So you will find it is TZ. So we write TZ. So the name of the WhatsApp channel, you can check it in WhatsApp, then you'll find the name Tizoti. It's TZ. Okay, so it is TZ. It is TZ. So the names of our WhatsApp channel, it's TZ Online O-Level and A-Level Secondary School. Today we would like to speak with all the pre-Form 5, all the Form 5, all the Form 6 who are pursuing PCM, PCB, PGM, and PMC, because I'm going to introduce you to give you the general introductions of advanced physics based on the new syllabus. Are you ready to hear that? And I have another good news. This is very special. See, very special. I am a Tanzanian. I'll be using the syllabus of United Republic of Tanzania, prepared by Minister of Education, Science and Technology, and also I'll be using the syllabus, yes, and also the curriculum prepared by the Minister of Science, Minister of Education, Science and Technology. I'll be using books prepared by Tanzania Institute of Education, in short, TAI. So I'm going to teach you in two languages, by language. I'm going to teach you in English language, and also I'm going to clarify concept in Swahili language. So this is, I'm going to use Kiswanglish language. Why am I going to use Kiswanglish language? Even myself, when I was in Form 5 and Form 6, I was not good in spoken English. I was not good in listening English, and I was not good in reading English. So I guess there's also millions of the students or thousands of the students who still have the English challenge just like me. But all the writing will be in English, but I'll just clarify the concept in Swahili, so to make sure that every student, whether faster learner, we are here to teach faster learner students, we are here to teach intermediate learner students, we are here to teach slow learner students. Regardless of your background, forget about your backgrounds in O level, forget your division 1, 27 of O level, forget your division 3 of 25 in O level. When we come into advanced secondary education, then we begin a new phase, we begin a new moment, we begin a new area of knowledge. Are we together? So with this wonderful session, let me show you how can you search our official YouTube or our official YouTube channel. It's very simple. You can have any web browser, whether Firefox or Google Chrome or Opera Mini or Windows Edge, etc. So then click the applications of YouTube and then wait for a while. Then you have a search space, means that a search space. And then once you have that, you just write Tanzania. Remember the name of what? The name of our official YouTube channel. It's called what? Tanzania Online A-Level Sec School, in square bracket OLENJOLAIN. So simply you can just write Tanzania. So you have to remember every time the names of this Tanzania Online. Then A-level, then what is Sec School. Simple like that. And hence you search. You wait for it. Wonderful. We have already the school. This is Tanzania Online A-Level Sec School, in square bracket OLENJOLAIN. So click it. So once you click it, you're already in your online school. This is OLENJOLAI. Here I am. When I was graduating my undergraduate, my bachelor degree in electronics and telecommunication engineering at Dar es Salaam Institute of Technology, and all of these are my relatives, sisters, uncles, even just my brothers-in-law, sisters-in-law. So we have a number of them. My uncles, this is my uncle, this is my sister, this is my sister, this is my young sister. So I've been surrounded, and this is my lecturer, my mother who cared me during my engineering education. Her name is Dr. Georgia Rugumira. She's lecturing at DIT, and this is also my bestie friend, and also, yes, my bestie friend and my bestie teacher who has been teaching me electronics and especially electronics engineering, and especially digital electronics and the analog electronics. This is my uncle, and etc, etc. So those are my family. So wherever you find that, then you're already at your school. You're warmly welcome, and you can scroll. But I want to tell you, how can you register yourself? Very good, because whenever you report, even yourself who is pre-form 5, you're expected to report. Once you report in July, then the first thing you'll do is registration. So how can you register yourself? First of all, the good news, the registrations in Tanzania Online A-Level Sec School is free. We don't charge you any registration fee, and it's very simple. You have seen the button written subscribe. So you just click these buttons of subscribe. Then the second step, you click these icons, you choose all. Then from there, you have already registered yourself, and you are now a permanent student of Tanzania Online A-Level Sec School, in square bracket OLENJOLAIM. And the good news, what the advantage of you subscribing? You receive notification anytime we publish, anytime. You receive the notification from YouTube, anywhere and anytime we publish a new video, whether it's premiering, whether it's a public video, whether we are going live. You see the advantage. You should not miss that advantage, please. But also, if you subscribe, you have created the environments to be that you are permanent students, and we try our level best to prepare essential material for you. Once you have that, you have done that, we have so many videos that you can go through. We have so many videos for advanced education, advanced educations. So all of these are your materials. For instance, if you check, we have already posted or uploaded 327 videos for advanced secondary education. Here we are only teaching advanced secondary education. What are we going to teach you in Tanzania Online A-Level Secondary School? That's the good question. We are going to teach you about the Word of God in the Holy Bible. We're going to teach you about advanced pure mathematics. We're going to teach you about basic applied mathematics. We're going to teach you about advanced physics. We're going to teach you about advanced chemistry. We're going to teach you about advanced computer science. We're going to teach you about advanced biology, and we're going to teach you about advanced divinity. That's the wonderful and that's the good news. Wow. So this is the home of advanced secondary education. I remember 2008 to 2010, I was advanced secondary students just like you, where in Iboru Special Secondary School in Arusha. And I know that advanced secondary education is a little bit difficult. But here, we are here to break it down. So I have experience of teaching advanced secondary education since 2010 until I'm recording this general introductions in 2026. So I have experience of more than 17 years of teaching advanced secondary education. And I'm very updated. And I'm not just imposing myself, but remember that OLENJOLAI does not know everything about advanced education. I just know a small portion of it, but have an assignment to teach others about what I know. OLENJOLAI hajui kila kitu cha A-level. Ninajua sehemu ndogo sana A-level, watu wengi wanaojua sana, lakini mimi najua sehemu ndogo. Kwa hiyo nachotaka kuambia ni kwamba nitakufundisha kile ninachokifahamu, lakini mimi ni mwanafunzi, kila siku najifunza. Kwa hiyo hakikisha ya kwamba unazingatia maelekezo nayokuwa nakupa. Kwa hiyo asante sana. Kuna mwanafunzi, kwa hiyo saa bado jaanza, achilia notes za hii syllabus mpya. Asante sana. Asante sana, asante sana. Asante sana. Kwa sasa let us continue with our wonderful session. We have some serious students that are already online, and I'm very energetic when I see students who are live. Then another good news is we'll be having 2 ways of learning. I'll be teaching you from Monday to Friday, and then I'll give you a chance to ask you questions. We have also a number of WhatsApp groups so that you will get a chance to ask your questions verbally. You can ask your questions through your voice. You can ask your questions through writing. You can ask your questions through a video. So how are you going to ask a question? You can use the chat here, or you can use the comment sections. But also, I will introduce to you our WhatsApp and social media groups, where that you can even send a PDF and you can just interact as well as we can. So for instance, if you want to ask it, so I want just to say that ask a question, ask your questions where? Ask your questions here. Okay? Then, but just say, let me welcome all our A-level students. So simple. Students, you can access our contents by using the smartphone, iPhone, computer, smart TV, tablets, etc., etc. So this is the wonderful session, very wonderful session, which is actually opening your eyes and updating you and tell you so many details. And this session I dedicate to all pre-Form 5 in all 31 regions, all the Form 5 students, and even Form 60 students. Then again, you are asking yourself a question: how can you share? Well, you click these buttons of share, then you can copy the link here, or you can share this link, this video through WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp media. So simply, let me just share this link to you. Share this video link. So share this video link. Where that video link to your classmate, to your classmates. Via what? Via WhatsApp and the social media. Okay, so do that. Invite some friends in across the country of Tanzania. Invite some friends to join us, because we have a good news for them. And let me also invite some students. I would like to invite some students. I would like to invite some students who have contacted me. Yeah, so welcome, welcome, Mr. Worthy, to enjoy the beauty of PCB, PCM, PMC, and the PGM. So welcome, Mr. Wiz. So let me share this wonderful. So please write the comments there. Let me share with some of the students. I have some students, in short we call it to ASO. So share the link immediately because we are going to move on soon. Going to move on soon. We are going to enjoy the beauty. So let me put first in my status. So let me put in my status first. Wonderful. So, and then let me share the, let me share the video. Oh, thank you. Yes, you are there. You're only welcome. You're welcome. You're only welcome with Kidman. With Kidman. Tell us, which combinations are you? And are you a Form 5 students or Form 5 students or Form 60 students? And which school are you studying? Okay. So let me share with some to ASO student. Some to ASO student. Okay, share the link to other students, invite them. Yes, thank you very much for the students who have joined us. Please let us know you in the comment section and let us enjoy the beauty of advanced engineering, advanced physics. Yeah, advanced physics. So please let us know. So keep on sharing. Let me sharing this good news. So keep on sharing this link, please. Here it's a link. Here it's a link. It's a link. Form 5. Have you this here? Also you have PCM. This is Ivan. Keep on sharing, please. We are back soon. Yes, PCB from 5. Yes, Tanzania Secondary School, Dar es Salaam. Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you very much, Mr. Man. Then you have Rachel. Oh wow. So now thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. Link. Then keep sharing. Keep sharing. Okay, so now let us come back into our wonderful session where that today we are going to introduce you about session 0, general introductions of advanced physics based on the new competence-based curriculum CBC and physics new syllabus for advanced secondary education from 5 and from 6 2023. So please take your exercise book, and once you take your exercise book, keep on writing, and just I will be back for a while. Okay, now we are back to the business. I'm very sorry for interruption. I'm very sorry. I had a very important emergency. Now we are back, and I believe that you have written. So please take your exercise book and take your note. We like serious students, and write that title so that you may enjoy. So what the names of the session? This session 00, General Introductions of Advanced Physics based on the competence-based curriculum. In short, is called the CBC and Physics New Syllabus for Advanced Secondary Education. One of the challenges that now Tanzania is facing, the syllabus has changed. We have a new syllabus, and because we have a new syllabus, then there's not a lot of materials which have been prepared based on the new syllabus. So I thank God who have given me that chance. I will prepare so many materials accompanied by this new syllabus, because I know this new syllabus will be active for more than 10 years. So this content that we are preparing today will be helpful even to the students who will be pre-Form 5 or Form 5 in 2036. Are we together? Now we are back. Sorry for interruption, but nothing will be missing. Are we together? Are you happy? So let us continue now. So today I'm going to introduce you about general introductions of advanced physics based on the new competence-based curriculum, CBC, and physics new syllabus for advanced secondary education from 5 to Form 6 2023. Are we together? Then now let us move straight forward into the session 00 outlines. What am I going to teach you? What am I going to present? What am I going to teach and present to you in this session 00? So in this session 00, I'm going to teach you or present to you the main and specific competences of advanced physics based on the new competence-based curriculum, CBC, and physics new syllabus for advanced secondary education from 5 through to Form 6 2023. Then the second components that I'm going to teach you in this session, I'm going to teach you about the 10 main topics of advanced physics from 5 to Form 6 based on the new competence-based curriculum CBC and physics new syllabus for advanced secondary education from 5 to Form 6 2023. Number 3, I'm going to present to you reference books and materials which have been recommended by the Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, and also have been confirmed by the Tanzania Institute of Education. And these recommended books also have been used oftenly by National Council of Examination, aka NECTA. So these reference books and materials will be the weapons for us to win the battle of advanced secondary education. Number 4, I'm going to give you overview of physics for A-level secondary schools from 5, students book by Tanzania Institute of Education, aka TAI, of 2023. So I'm going to navigate to you to this wonderful book because this is one of the reference book that I'm going to use. So this is physics for advanced level secondary school, students book from 5, and then prepared by Tanzania Institute of Education. Then number 5, I'm going to present to you 8 topics of mechanics. How many topics of mechanics? 8. And number 6, I will prepare a special session specifically for advanced physics NECTA. Paper 1, which is theory. Advanced Physics NECTA Paper 2, which is theory, and Advanced Physics Paper 3, which is practical. So this is assessment mode. So assessment mode, we have summative assessment, and also we have formative assessment. So NECTA, it's one of the target that every advanced secondary students should have, it means that should overcome it. So in physics, in advanced physics, simply we have 3 papers of NECTA. Paper 1, which is theory, paper 2, which is theory, and paper 3, which is practical. When you make decision today to be a serious online students of Tanzania Online Advanced Secondary School, in square bracket OLENJOLAIn, and you make decision that OLENJOLAI will be my teacher of advanced physics, will cover all the informations of advanced physics paper 1, advanced physics paper 2, and advanced physics paper 3. We'll be conducting practicals digitally. You'll be conducting where you are. You'll be learning wherever you are. For instance, you can't believe that Mr. With, this guy is pursuing what? Yes, Mr. With, WizKid man. He is pursuing PCB from 5 from Tanzania Secondary School in Dar es Salaam. But myself, who is teaching you this lecture, I am in Dodoma. Do you see the power of the digital? Wonderful. So then, dear students, let us keep on. Let us keep on. So these are the 6 components. So number 6, I will not discuss in detail. I've already introduced it to you as a pre-Form 5 students or Form 5 students. You should have in your mind that I'll be having 3 papers in national examinations, which is called Advanced Certificate Secondary Education Examination. So we'll be focusing on the 5 components. Then number 1 to number 4, refer physics new syllabus for advanced secondary education from 5 through from 6, 2023. Remember that number 1, what are we going to focus? Main and specific competence. Then number 10 will show you 10 main topics, but I've summarized them. Reference books and materials will be referring another document. Then overview will go in for overview. So number 1, this is actual number 1 to number 2, because number 3 and number 4 will be another story. We'll be using as references. So number 1 through number 2. So let us go into the syllabus. This is the guideline for teachers, guideline for students. Every advanced teacher or every teacher who is teaching advanced physics and every student who study advanced physics must be aware with this wonderful syllabus book. The United Republic of Tanzania, Ministry of Education, Science and Technology. Then here, the same story, certificate of approval. So in certificate of approval, let us read it, just to make sure that, because it's the one reference book that I'll use. Physics syllabus for advanced secondary education from 5 through from 6. Tanzania Institute, published by Tanzania Institute of Education. Outside the Ministry of Education, Science and Technology, as I say. This syllabus was approved by the Ministry of Education, Science and Technology on 29th June 2023 as a syllabus for the physics for advanced secondary education from 5 through from 60 in Tanzania. Kwa hiyo hii tunasema kwamba ni cheti cha uthibitisho kwamba kitabu hiki manake mtaala huu uanze kutumika kwa ajili ya kufundishia somo la fizikia kwa wanafunzi wa sekondari ngazi ya juu. Okay, so let us read the text below. Then this is what physics syllabus for advanced secondary education from 5 through from 60. It's a new syllabus because the oldest syllabus, it has been published in 2007, and this one is published in 2023. Wonderful. This is the table of contents. Table of contents. Let me zoom out. Table of contents. And this is introduction. So this is the acknowledgement. You see that Dr. Annette A. Komba, Director of Tanzania Institute of Education. This is introduction. So let me read this introduction to the special. Let us read together because there's so many important information in this introduction part. So many. So there's a very important introduction in this important part. Let me drag it. Okay. So let us read this introduction. I'm still there. Okay. Anyway, I believe that you could see it. Physics for advanced secondary education is compulsory subject for students who choose to join the natural science stream, taking physics among the subjects in the year combination. Physics kama somo la ngazi ya sekondari ya juu, kama somo la kufundishia elimu ya sekondari ngazi ya juu, ni somo la lazima kwa wanafunzi ambao wana malengo ya kujiunga na faculty au masomo ya ngazi ya chuo kikuu katika eneo la sayansi asilia. Kwa hiyo lazima usome somo la physics katika combination zako. Let us read together. The purpose of learning physics is to provide students with contemporary and coherent understanding of energy, matter, and their interrelation by focusing on investigating natural phenomena and then applying concepts, principles, theories, and laws to explain the physical behavior of the universe. Lengo la kujifunza physics ni kwa ajili ya kuweza kumjenga mwanafunzi awe kwanza mwanafunzi bora na mwanafunzi wa kisasa, ili aweze kuelewa kuhusiana na nishati, kuhusiana na mada, na kuhusiana pia na muingiliano au mahusiano ya nishati na mada, kwa kuangalia zaidi katika uwekezaji wa asili, alafu na pia katika kutumia concept mbalimbali na kanuni mbalimbali na sheria mbalimbali kuelezea physical behavior au kuelezea manake asili ya ulimwengu. Furthermore, the subject aims to promote students with scientific skills and other skills related to critical thinking, creativity and innovation, communication and collaboration. Zaidi ya hayo, somo hili la physics ya ngazi ya juu inamfundisha mwanafunzi kufikiri sana, kuwa mbunifu, kuwa mvumbuzi, kuwasiliana na kushirikiana. It also serves as a bridge to enable students appreciate the values of resources present in Tanzania and develop ability to create works for self-employment. Somo hili pia kilisoma vizuri ukalielewa, linaweza likatengeneza ajira yako. Kwa mfano, mimi nilivyomaliza kusoma somo la advanced physics liliniajiri baada ya kumaliza elimu yangu ya kidato cha 6 mwaka 2010 katika shule ya sekondari ya vipaji maalum ya Ilboru. Manake physics iliniajiri kwa sababu nilikuwa mwalimu sasa wa fizikia kwa wanafunzi wa kidato cha 5 mpaka kidato cha 6, na nimefundisha wanafunzi ana kwa ana kuanzia mwaka 2010, 2011, 12, 13, 14. Na shule nilizofundisha, kwanza nilikuwa na tuition center Arusha ambayo ilikuwa inaitwa X-Ray Tuition Center, na nilikuwa nilifundisha Mwenge Sekondari Singida, nilifundisha Oswald Mang'ombe Mara, nilifundisha pia Nyakabungo pale tuition nilifundisha pia Mosh Technical au shule ya Mosh Technical Bati, lakini mwaka jana na mwaka huu nimefundisha pia shule ya sekondari ya Shabani Robert ambaye iko Dar es Salaam. So the syllabus is designed to guide the teachings and learning of physics for advanced secondary education from 5 to form 6 in the United Republic of Tanzania. Kwa huu ni mtaala ambao umetengenezwa kwa ajili ya kufundishia na kujifunza somo la fizikia ngazi ya sekondari ya juu, kidato cha 5 na cha 6 kwa nchi nzima ya Tanzania. The syllabus interprets the competence indicated in 2023 Advanced Secondary Education Curriculum. Kwa hiyo manake pia hili manake huu mtaala umetokana na mtaala mkuu au mwongozo mkuu au katiba kuu ya elimu ya sekondari ya ngazi ya juu iliyoandaliwa pia na Wizara ya Elimu, Sayansi na Teknolojia. It provides information that will enable teachers to plan the year teaching process effectively. Lakini pia inampa mwalimu maelekezo ya namna ya weka malengo juu ya nini cha kufundisha. Lakini sentence ya mwisho ni muhimu. Let us read together. 1, 2, 3. It's also provide teaching and learning opportunities that guide teachers to apply different methods and strategies to enable students develop 21st century skills. Say 21st century skill. Again, say 21st century skills. Again, say 21st century skills, which include critical thinking, creativity, communication, collaboration, and problem solving. Are we together? Kwa hiyo tunasema kwamba kuna ujuzi wa karne 21 ambayo imegawanyika katika maeneo mangapi? Makubwa matano. Ya kwanza kufikiri sana, ya pili ubunifu, ya tatu mawasiliano, ya 4 ushirikiano, ya 5 kutatua matatizo. So an entire learning process of advanced physics, you as a student, you have to extract the knowledge that make you to be critical thinker, to be creative, to be able to communicate, to be able to collaborate with others, and also to be able to solve problems, and especially real-life problems in science, real-life problems in science, real-life scientific problem, real-life engineering problem, real-life medical problems, etc., etc. Kwa hiyo haya ndo mambo ya msingi. Kwa hiyo kumbuka kwamba haya ni malengo. I know that so many teachers, especially who are teaching advanced physics, they don't introduce you or they don't tell you this is truth in the beginnings of the year session. Don't judge them. It's just the way we differ in a way of calling. Teaching to me, it's not just a work. It's a calling, it's an assignment. So I would like to teach a student from the beginning to the end. I would like to teach a students from the fundamental to the advanced skills. So this is the foundation. I'm building the foundation. I want to open your eyes to know what should you expect, what should you learn, what should you cover during in your advanced secondary education. Are we together? So please be patient. I know that this is the new information to you. Some of the students, even they don't aware about the syllabus. They just hear that the new syllabus, they don't have it. Because we have our social media groups, I will share this PDF. And even the PDF notes, I will share in our groups. So please stay connected. I will give you the links and I will give you so many information in this official YouTube channel about what we have prepared for you. We'll be having multi-platform. So we'll be using multi-platform to teach you. Then let us come to the first part that I promised you that I'm going to teach you. The first part is called what? Main and specific competence. So then now we are there in main and specific competence. Main and specific competence, where it is this one. So in advanced physics from 5 to form 6, we have only 3 main competences and we have only 5 specific competences. These competences should be achieved by students. These competences should be achieved by the teacher. I, as your teacher, Mr. OLENJOLAI or Sir OLENJOLAI, have an assignment to make sure that I help you to achieve all the 3 main competencies of advanced physics from 5 to form 6. And I have to help you to achieve all the 5 specific competence in advanced physics from 5 and from 6. Are we together? So this main competence, remember that the new syllabus is called the competence-based curriculum. It's called the competence-based syllabus. So in this new syllabus, the main goal and the main focus is knowledge. The main goal is skills, not memorization. Mtaala wa zamani ulikuwa unafundisha wanafunzi namna ya kukumbuka formula, namna ya kukumbuka namna ya kukumbuka maswali na kadhalika. Katika mtaala huu ni wa tofauti, kwa sababu unamhitaji mwanafunzi apate ujuzi, na katika kupata ujuzi huu atautumia ujuzi kufaulu mitihani ya ndani ya shuleni pamoja na nje kwa wale ambao private candidates na reciters, lakini pia itamsaidia mwanafunzi aweze kufaulu mitihani ya taifa, lakini afaulu maisha. Sio mpaka aende chuo kikuu ndio aweze kufanikiwa katika maisha. Ndio maana competence based, wakati ile memorization was actually that focusing on cramming capacity. So here we are not just giving you information, but we'll also teach you how to apply the information to solve real life problems. So ladies and gentlemen and dear students, let me present to you the 3 main competencies. Please take your exercise book and write this. Demonstrate the first main competence that you should achieve. It's this: demonstrate mastery of concepts in physics, theories in physics, and principles in physics. So it means that we can put this sentence in all the syllabus that have been called as the main what? Yes, main goal, main objective. So a student should be able to demonstrate mastery. You have to master concept in physics. You have to master theories, all the theories in physics. You have to master all the principles in advanced physics. So students, I will teach you in TANZANIA Online Advanced Secondary School. I'm going to teach you how you can demonstrate your mastery of the concepts in advanced physics, how you can demonstrate your mastery of the theories of advanced physics, and how you can demonstrate your mastery of the principles in advanced physics. In this main competence, the Ministry of Education, Science and Technology of Tanzania, of United Republic of Tanzania, broke it into 3 specific competences. Do you understand? Do you get this new information? Tell your neighbor, this is the good news. The first specific competence is this one. Demonstrate an advanced, not ordinary, an advanced understanding of the concepts, theories, and principles in physics. A student must be able to demonstrate an advanced understanding of the concepts in advanced physics, understanding of the theories in advanced physics, understanding principles in advanced physics. Are we together? Are we together? So that's very important in your mind. You have to bear it. So you should be able to demonstrate demonstrate advanced understanding. And in TANZANIA Online Advanced Secondary School, we are going to teach you how to demonstrate your understanding of the concepts of advanced physics, understanding of the theories of advanced physics, and understanding of the principles of advanced physics. Number 2, you as a student, you have to be able to use various instruments to carry out measurements in physics. I, as a teacher, I have to help you to be able to use various instruments such as micrometer, screw gauge, vernier caliper, how you can use the stopwatch, how you can use the calorimeter, how you can use the meter bridge, etc., etc., etc. How can you use maybe the computer in computer simulations, etc., etc., to carry out measurements in physics. Number 3, a student should be able to analyze the efficacy of different techniques and instruments in physical measurements. You should be able to do measurements. You should be able to calculate errors in measurements. That's why the first topic is called the measurements. Are we together? Tunaelewana jamani? Hili ndo lengo kuu na haya ndo malengo maalum, specific competences, ambayo unatakiwa kuyafikia mwishoni unavyosema nimeshamaliza sasa mtaala, nimesha cover syllabus. ya Advanced Physics Form 5 na Advanced Physics Form 6. Haya ndio matarajio. Haya ndio ambayo NECTA au baraza la mitihani ambalo NECTA aka yake watatumia kutunga mtihani wako wa mwisho wa masomo ya elimu yako ya sekondari ngazi ya juu. Are we together? If you have a question, please don't hesitate to ask in the chat or in the comment. Number two, the second main competence is this one: conducting experiments in physics. OLENJOLAI, I have to teach you how you can conduct experiments in advanced physics. You are the students, you have to learn how to conduct experiments in physics. And specific competence is only one: carry out experiments in physics. It means that I have to teach you how you can carry out experiments in advanced physics. And you as the students, you have to learn how to carry out experiments in physics. Kwa hiyo hili lengo kuu la pili linalenga wewe kufanya majaribio. Usijifunze tu kutatua au kufanya maswali ya physics. Uwe pia una uwezo, ukipewa vifaa uweze kufanya majaribio. Na najua si jambo jepesi kwa wanafunzi wengi, lakini ndio maana umeamua kuongeza na kupanua wigo wako wa kujifunza, ukaja kwenye mifumo ya kidigitali, ambayo si mifumo ya kidigitali, tunakuletea elimu nyumbani. Are we together? Then number 3, the third main competence is called conducting a project in physics. I have to teach you how to conduct a project in physics. And you should learn how to conduct a project in physics. And its corresponding specific competence is conduct a project in what? In physics. Manake kufanya project tunamaanisha kwamba kutafuta tatizo ambalo lipo kwenye jamii, alafu kukaa chini na kuweza kuangalia mifumo au njia mbalimbali ambazo zimetumika au zimependekezwa kwa ajili ya kutatua hilo tatizo, na utafute udhaifu wake. Baada ya hapo, wewe sasa ukishaona ule udhaifu, wewe unaanza kusema mimi nitatatua tatizo hili kwa njia hii, kwa sababu mtatuzi wa kwanza kwa njia fulani amefeli, ameshindwa kufikia au kutatua changamoto kwenye kona hii na kona hii na kona hii. Ndio maana ya nini? Ya project. Kwa hiyo utakishasema hivyo, utaenda kwenye data collection. Utatoka hapo utaenda kwenye analyze hizo data ulizozikusanya kutoka site, na baada hapo utaenda kwenye computer simulation kama ni tatizo la electronics au la computer, na baada hapo utaandika pia computer program, na baada hapo kwamba mwishowe utatengeneza, implement katika hardware na integrate software na hardware. Are we together? So it's still good news that is coming. So that's all about main and specific competence. Let us go back to our guideline. The second one, the 10 main topics of advanced physics from 5 from 6 based on the new competence-based curriculum, CBC, and physics new syllabus for advanced secondary education from 5 through from 6, 2023. Haya. Sasa twende tena kwenye ule mtaala wetu mpya wa fizikia. Kienda kwenye mtaala wetu mpya wa fizikia, hii ndio nilikuwa nimezungumzia kwamba kuhusiana assessment ambayo ni summative learning, kuna summative assessment na formative assessment. Na huu ndo mkeka. Manake hii ndo continuous assessment yako. First term examination ya form 5 na second term examination inachangia 10%. Lakini manake first term examination form 6 itachangia 16%, 10 jumlisha 6 inakuwa 16, alafu project yako inachangia 7% na mock examination 7%. Kwa hiyo 16 jumlisha 7 inakuwa 23, jumlisha 7 inakuwa 30. Mtihani wako wa mwisho wa taifa utachangia 70%. Jumla asilimia ngapi? 100. Vipindi vinavyopendekezwa utaangalia hapo. Hiki kitabu nitakiweka katika magrupu yetu ili uweze kurejea mara kwa mara. So now let us discuss the second outline. That is the 10 topics of advanced physics based on the new competence-based curriculum and the new syllabus for the new advanced physics new syllabus for advanced secondary education from 5 to from 6, 2023. The first one, demonstrate mastery of the concept and concepts, theories, and principles in physics. This is specific what competences. Demonstrate an advanced understanding of the concept, theories and principles in physics. Hii ni learning activities. Manake hapa kazi za kujifunzia au mgawanyo wa hii specific objective. Here we have suggested teaching and learning methods, njia za kufundishia na za kujifunzia, assessment criteria, namna ya kujitathmini mwenyewe, suggested resources, material unaweza kutumia, number of periods. So topic ya kwanza, the first topic is called mechanics. And this is called the measurements. It's a part of mechanics. Then you have basic tenets of what? Of projectile motion, circular, this is still mechanics. Then mechanics, heat transfer. Yes, gravitation, fluid mechanics. Mechanics is covered, is presented in learning activity Roman A, learning activity Roman B. Then after that, we go to the second topic that's called the heat. So this is heat, all about heat transfer, kinetic theory of the gas, kinetic theory of the gas, of the salts, liquids and gases, thermodynamics and thermoradiation. So that topic is called this. The second topic is called what? Heat. Then the third topic is called what? This one, simple harmonic motion and wave propagation, interference, diffraction, polarization. So the third topic is called the wave motion. So wave motion and the wave and vibration. Wave motion and vibration. Then the first topic is called the electrostatic. So electrostatic. Then the fifth topic, it's called this is just mechanics, vibration. This is about practical. The second is the specific competence. Then this is still about that. Then now we have to go to the table of Form 5. The table of Form 6. We are done with the table of Form 5. So in Form 5, we have 4 main topics. Mechanics, heat, wave and vibration, and the and electrostatic. Then let us see in Form 6. So in Form 6, this topic is called current electricity. Current electricity. The second topic is called the electromagnetism. In Form 6. Then the third topic in Form 6 is called electronics and telecommunication. Then the fourth topic in advanced physics is called the atomic physics. Say atomic physics. Again, say atomic physics. Then the fifth topic in advanced physics Form 6, it's called the energy sources. Energy and energy sources. Then the sixth topic in advanced physics, it's called the medical physics. Say medical physics. Where you have nervous system, electrocardiograph, diagnostic imaging, and radiotherapy. So these are the 10 topics of 40 of advanced physics. I've already summarized it for you so that you may write, because maybe I spoke, but you can repeat this video so that you can note those main topics. So these are the what? So this we say that 10 main topics of advanced physics from 5 to Form 6 based on the new syllabus. So for the Form 5, PCM, PCB, PGM and PMC, chapter 1 is called what? Mechanics. These are the main topics. Not only, so it's called them main topics. So it means that mechanics will break down mechanics and find and have 8 topics. Heat will break heat and find that we have 4 topics. The third main topic, chapter 3, is called the wave and the vibration, or wave motion and vibration. Chapter 4, I said it is called the electrostatic. Then from 5, from 6, PCM, PCB, PGM, and PMC topics of physics. Main topics of physics are the following. The first one, current electricity. Second one, electromagnetism. Third one, atomic physics, as we've seen. Fourth one, electronics and telecommunication. Fifth one is energy and energy sources. And last one is called medical physics. So 4 plus 6, what do you get? 10. So that's why you say that in advanced physics, based on the new syllabus, we don't have 8 topics like in previous syllabus. We just have what? We just have what? We have 10 topics, whereby 4 topics are for advanced physics Form 5, and the 60 topics for advanced physics from 60. Are we together? Do you understand me? Then that's all about it. The second is enabling the second course outline. Second course outlines that the 10 topics of advanced physics from 5 through from 6. Now let us move into the third outline, that reference books and materials. Reference books and materials. What are the reference books and materials that you need to learn and master? The principles, theories, and what? Principles, theories, and the laws of physics. We have so many reference books, but the following are the reference books which have been recommended by Tanzania Institute of Education. So we'll mention these books have been written. The referencing of these books have been written by using IEEE referencing, whereby the reference begin with the name of the author, then the year of publication, the name of the book, publishing company, sometimes with edition of that book. So why these reference books have been written this way? Why the reference book did not only mention the name? Because when you find a book books online that have been called the physics for senior secondary schools, then you find millions of the book. You find so many books. So that's why you could find that we give you all the information that you may search and get the correct book. We have so many reference books. It doesn't mean that you are supposed to have all of them, but you're supposed to have at least 3 of them for your comprehension of advanced physics. It's not necessary to have a hard copy. You may have even soft copy and use, if you are boarding school students, you may use during the holiday. The first reference has been written by Abai. Are you ready for reference? Tell me in the comment section, please, or in the chat. Are you ready for reference of advanced physics based on the new syllabus? I extracted this from this physics book for advanced secondary education. So you'll find it in the last pages. So this page is a single page that I took from this recommended book. These are capacitors and the what? Yes, here it's a reference. So this is the reference. So the first reference, okay, let us use this book because maybe you may trust it. The first reference book, because some students say, sir, why are you presenting to us so many reference books? No, it's not me. It's according to the physics for advanced level education, advanced level secondary education from 5. Then the first reference book is called Abai TK and the Asia JW. It has been published in 1990 and the name is called the Physics for Senior Secondary Schools. The publisher is Maximilian Press Limited, UK. The second is a second reference book. It has been written by Arnold B. and Blur C. It has been published in 2004. The name of the book is called Advanced Level Physics. John Murray, Publisher Limited. This is the publisher. The third reference book, it has been written by Doppler S. 1999, Complete Physics, Oxford University Press. So this is the author, this is the name of the book, and this is the publisher. Then the fourth reference book, it has been written by Duncan T. Year 2000, and the name of the book is called Advanced Physics, 5th edition, John Murray Publisher Limited. Then the sixth reference book, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Duncan T. It was published in 1987, 1 year after I was born. It's called the Physics, a text for advanced level students. The publisher is Color Crafty Limited. Then the next one, it's called it has been written by Hitching Ara, 1992, Physics second edition, Thomas Nelson and Sons Limited, UK. This is the name of the publisher. So the name of the book is just a physics. So this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 7, it has been written by Illingworth V, 1991. The Pengham Dictionary of Physics, second edition, Pengham Books Limited. Jason K. Howard S. This is the name of the author. This is the name of the author. Holt S. Names of the author. Miller J. It has been published in 2000. Advanced Physics for You. Nelson Soms Limited. So it has been written by three authors. Number 1. Number 2, number 3, number 4, 4 authors. And the book is called Advanced Physics for You. Then the next one, that was number 7, number 8, number 9. The ninth reference has been written by Keller F. Gett, W.E. and Skov M.J., 1997. This is called the Physics, Classical and Modern, second edition, McGraw-Hill. Then King A. Ara and Regev O, 1997, Physics with Answers, University Press, USA. So 2 authors. The name of the book is Physics with Answers. It means that physics, it's a textbook and also question and answer or QA book, University Press, USA. Then Ko KG and Kit YE, 2008, Longman Essential Physics, SPM Person, Malaysia, name of the publisher. Then Mahesh J, another physicist or physics teacher. It has been published in 1997, Objective Physics, S. Chandy Publishing Limited. So this is the name of the author, year of publication, name of the book, and this is the publisher. Mehta Ara and Mehta VK, 2013, Principal Physics for Class 11. S-Chant Publishing. I know this book. I used it during my advanced secondary education. Then Mehta Ara and Mehta VK 2013, Principles of Physics for Class 12, S-Chant Publishing Limited. Then Manchester Roger. Hey, I know this one. Have been, and you will see so many questions from this book. 1993, A-Level Physics 4th edition, Nelson Soms Limited, UK. Then Nelcon, I used this book again. Nelcon M and Parker P. It has been published in 1997. Advanced Level Physics 7th edition, Heinemann Educational Books. Then Sadler A.J. and Sonning D.W.S. Wow, 1983. Understanding Mechanics, University Press, UK at the publisher. Then Yap E.K. and the Koo G.G.K. It has been published in 2011, Essential Physics, SPM Persons, Longman in Malaysia. Are we together? So how many reference books do we have? 17. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18 reference books. It doesn't mean that you must have all these 18 reference books. We recommend you at least to have 5. It means that quarter of this book, 5 or 6 at least. But when you make decisions to be a serious Tanzania Online Advanced Secondary Education student, you'll be serious, you'll be following all our sessions, and you'll be subscribing, asking questions, interacting, and contributing. Then we'd like to tell you that we'll be here and be using a number of these reference books to teach you, and will help you. Rather than reading all of these books, we can just compress the concept and prepare the best notes of advanced physics based on the new syllabus. Are we together? So good news is still coming. Again, another thing is why these reference books have been written in complicated way that maybe you're not familiar. The reason is this is IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering referencing. This is the international way of referencing, of finding the book exactly from online library. Kwa nini vitabu vimeandikwa? Kwa nini havijaandikwa majina physics for senior secondary school? Kwa nini hakijaandikwa advanced level physics, hakijaandikwa competitive physics, advanced physics? Sababu ni kwamba ukienda kwenye mtandao wa internet au maduka mengi utakutana na vitabu vingi vya waandishi mbalimbali walioandikwa advanced level physics. Lakini ili upate cha Arnold B lazima uambie ni cha nani na kimechapishwa mwaka gani. Kwa hiyo namna hii inakusaidia wewe kutafuta vitabu soft copy au hard copy. Na habari njema, Tanzania Online Advanced Secondary School tuna pia maktaba yetu, tuna vitabu vingi vya hard copy, vya tai na hivi vingine ambavyo tunauza. Kwa hiyo bei yetu ni nafuu sana, kwa sababu lengo letu tunatamani kwamba tufundishe kwa video, lakini tufundishe pia na kuhakikisha wanafunzi wanakuwa na vitabu sahihi, ili tunapokuwa tunasoma inakuwa rahisi na yeye kufuatilia tunachokisoma au kuangalia hilo swali kutoka kwenye hicho kitabu. Kwa kama ni mzazi, hakikisha pia wanafunzi wako au mtoto wako anakuwa na library nyumbani ya vitabu, either soft copy au hard copy. Na sisi tutakupatia zote, soft copy na hard copy. Are we together? Sasa unatafutaje hivi vitabu? Kwani tunakufundisha kwa njia hii. For instance, if you want to find Mehta, kwa hiyo ikiwa katika mfumo huu ni rahisi, sababu tumekopi hiyo, tunaenda kwenye Google, tunaangalia, au unaenda kwenye Google, tuna paste. Hake tumenakili kama ilivyo, naone na goma. Haya, sasa tutafute kitabu kimoja, ambacho ni hiki hapa, mwandishi ni Mehta R and Mehta VK. Kwa andika hivyo, wala usibadilishe chochote. Kwa hiyo nasema Mehta, ambaye huyu ni Muhindi, Mehta R, alafu na pia Mehta VK. Mehta R VK 2013. Mehta VK 2013. Hiki kinaitwaje kitabu? Kinaitwa Principle of Physics for Class 11. Principles, tutafute kitabu naye tafuta Principles of Physics. Principles of Physics for class 11. Alafu nani? S. Chandi. Haya, naetafuta mwanafunzi wangu. Naona jinsi gani tunavyofunua siri katika Tanzania Online Advanced Secondary School, S. Chandi Publishing. Waandika hivyo ili tukipate chenye publishing. Ninaamini umeshaandika. Tunatafuta, unabonyeza enter, una search. Lakini hapa mbele tuongeze PDF. Tutafute PDF. Sikatuletea Word, sikatuletea kingine. Kwa hiyo kuna Google Books, S. Chandi, S. Principles of Physics for Class 11. Haya, kuna hii Principles of Physics, S. Chandi, Principles of Physics for Class 11. Muona hapa kuna PDF, hapa kuna PDF. Na hapa kuna PDF. Kwa hiyo unaweza kutumia WordPress au hii hapa. Tuingie hapa Principles of Physics, tuweze kufungua. Wow, habari njema inakuja sasa, tunapata kitabu cha rejea cha Advanced Physics Form 5. Kwa hiyo hapo, wow, mzigo umekuja S. Chandi Principles of Physics for Class 11. Umeona, hii ni topic ya gravitation ambayo ni mechanics. Hizi ni sayari hizi. VK Mehta na Rohit Mehta. Kule imeandikwa Mehta R na Mehta VK. Sawa, S. Chandi Schools. Hiki hapa ndio kitabu chetu kizuri, S. Chandi Principles of Physics. Ni kitabu kizuri sana kwa ajili ya advanced mechanics, napendekeza kitabu hiki kila pre-form 5 awe nacho, na sasa wa shule hii, ili tuweze kuvunja na tuweze kuona. Ngoja ni zoom kidogo mwanafunzi wangu aweze kuona. Hizi ndio unit physics, asma physical world and measurement. Kuna introduction, system of units, measurements of length, mass and time, dimension and dimension analysis. Hii ni topic ya kwanza measurements, error analysis in topic ya kwanza ya measurements kwenye mechanics, motion in straight line, hii ni Newton's law of motion, uniform accelerated linear motion, Newton's law of motion, vectors in motion pia, motion in plane, hii pia ni motion, alafu force bado ni Newton laws of motion, hii friction and dynamics of circular motion. Sasa hii ni circular motion, topic nyingine ya mechanics, work, energy and power ni sehemu ya Newton's law of motion, center of mass and rotational motion. Rotational motion ni topic mojawapo ya mechanics. Moment of inertia pia ni topic, ni sehemu ya rotations of the rigid body, moment of inertia. Alafu naenda tena unit nini? Unit 8, gravitation, acceleration due to gravity, satellites and planetary motion. Hii yote ni gravitation, gravitational field, energy and potential. Yote haya nitakufundisha. Elasticity, hii pia ni topic muhimu pia, ambayo kwa hivi sasa sio muhimu sana, haisisitizwi. Hydrostatic, fluid at rest, kwa sababu humu tuna fluid at rest zote hizi hapa hivi. Absolute and gauge pressure, atmospheric pressure, mercury barometer ni nini, lakini sasa sisi tuta focus hapa hydrodynamics, ambayo fluids nini in motion, bado ni mechanics hiyo. Same properties of matter, same properties concept of heat. Tumeenda kwenye topic ya pili ya heat, transfer of heat bado ni topic ya pili, thermodynamics bado ni topic ya pili, behavior of perfect gas and kinetic theory bado topic ya pili, oscillations and waves. Wow, hii ni topic ya tatu ya form 5, hiyo wave. Then tunakwenda extend principle of physics for hii hapo. Kwa hiyo topic manake kwamba chandi ya class 11 inatufundisha nini? Inatufundisha inatufundisha nini? Inatufundisha topic ngapi? 3 za advanced physics, ambayo ni nini? Mechanics, ambayo ni mechanics, heat pamoja na wave. Sawa Haya, sasa kuna yule anasema kwamba sasa mwalimu, mbona sasa form 6 hujatuonyesha sisi ni form 6 wengine ambao pia ni syllabus mpya? Sawa, naambia hakuna shida, ngoja tuone, ngoja tutafute cha form 6, ngoja tafute cha form 6, ngoja tafute cha form 6, ngoja tukopi kile tulichokuwa tumekiandika. Cha form 6 ni kile class 12 ya ambacho kina topic za form 6. Kwa hiyo highlight alafu copy, njoo kwenye fungua tab nyingine alafu paste pale pale kwenye Google. Lakini sasa hivi tutakwenda kubadilisha class 11 tutaweka class 12, alafu tutatafuta tena. Kumbuka tuna kile kitabu chetu cha topic 3 za form 5, mechanics, heat na wave. Haya, tunakuja hapa tena. Kuna huyu ametupa PDF. Haya, tumfungue huyo ambaye ni wow, Estiandi's principle of physics for class 12 with value based questions. Tuangalie topic zake ili tuone kwamba kweli vitabu vinavyotumika, na uzuri wa hivi vitabu vina mifano mingi na vinarahisisha kidogo safari ya physics ya ngazi ya juu. Haya, twende sasa. Hii ndo syllabus. Topic ya kwanza electrostatic, ambayo ni topic ya 4 ya form 5. Topic inayofuata ni topic ya 5 ambayo current electricity, topic ya form 6. Magnetic effects of currents and magnetism ni topic ya ngapi? Topic ya 6. Topic ya 6. Electromagnetic inductions and alternating currents bado hiyo topic ya 5 na ya 6. Electromagnetic waves, hii bado ni electromagnetic waves. Yes, in topic ya wave ya form 5. Alafu optics pia light, mambo ya light atosoma sana. Nature of matter and radiations, atoms and nuclear. Yes, kwa hiyo manake atomy and the photoelectric effect, experimental observations, and hii hapa yes, dual nature of matter and radiation. Hii ni atomic physics, topic ya 7, atomic physics. Then electronics devices, semiconductors, LED, photodiode, solar cell, Zener diode, voltage regulator, Then common emitter configuration, common base configuration, characteristics of the transistor, the switch, transistor, the amplifier, logic gate, OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate, exclusive what? NOR gate, integrated circuits. Wonderful. Transistor, the switch in electronics, and the communication system in telecommunication. Yeah, kwa hiyo hapo ndipo unapoona topic za form 6. Kwa hiyo ndo habari njema ya sehemu yetu ya ngapi? Sehemu yetu ya 3. Sehemu yetu ya 3 ambayo reference book au vitabu vya rejea. Asa twende tena. Tuna nini? Overview of physics for level secondary school. Overview. Manake tupitie kitabu tunachotakiwa kusoma physics ya form 5. Alafu baada hapo tunamalizia na topic 8 za mechanics. Overview of advanced physics form 5. Hiki ndio kitabu chetu. Ngoja turudi huku mwanzoni tuone. Alafu hiki ndio kitabu tutakachotumia kilichoandaliwa na taasisi ya elimu Tanzania, Physics for Advanced Secondary School. Physics for Advanced Secondary School. Student book form 5. Tunakaribia kumaliza kipindi chetu. Hii gari unavyoiona, hii inaitwa ni manake uniform circular motion in curved road bank. Yani hii ni gari inavyokuwa inakunja kona, kwa mfano kwenye roundabout pale. This car is representing the problems experienced by many drivers whenever they describe a circular motion, and in uniform circular motion, especially when you are passing through or around the roundabout. So this is called the road bank. So you find your car sometimes is actually lying this way. So this we'll be discussing this one. So you have to stay tuned. Physics for Advanced Secondary School, student book from 5. And then this is a certificate of approval. You'll pass through yourself. This is table of contents. In table of contents, chapter 1 is measurement. So remember the main topics is mechanics, heat, wave and vibration, and the electrostatic. But mechanics is being split up. It is the topic of mechanics. It is being broken down and having 8 topics. So mechanics is the main topic, and then within mechanics we have 8 topics. The first topic is called the measurement. The second topic is called the scientific investigation. The third topic is called the Newton's law of motion, where that we have equilibrium forces on a body and collision. The fourth topic is called the projectile motion. The fifth topic of mechanics is called the uniform circular motion. The sixth topic of mechanics is called the gravitation. Then the seventh topic of mechanics is called the rotation of the rigid bodies. And then the eighth and last topic of advanced mechanics is called the 3D mechanics, where we have surface tension, we have Bernoulli's principle, we have viscosity and turbulent flow. Then the second main topic is called what? Heat. So heat is being broken into what? Into 4 topics. So the first topic of heat is called the kinetic tissue of gas. Kinetic tissue of gas, solid and liquid. The second topic of heat is called the elasticity in terms of molecular theory. The third topic of heat is called the thermometric properties of substance. And the fourth topic of heat is called the heat transfer. And the fifth topic of heat is called the first law of thermodynamics, or thermodynamics in general. So heat, it's a main topic. It has been broken into 5 topics. You might find that just they look like subtopics, but they're real topics. And we'll discuss them. You will realize what I'm telling you. Then the third topic, the third main topic, that called the vibrations and the waves. So in this topic, it has been broken down first into simple harmonic motion. In all the syllabus, simple harmonic motion was one of the topic in advanced mechanics. The second topic is called the wave motion and sound waves. The third topic is called electromagnetic waves. Then the fourth topic is called the physical optics and Doppler effects. So in wave and vibrations, we have 4 topics. The first main topic is called electrostatic, or advanced physics from 5. In electrostatic, we have 4 Okay, 4 topics. One is not listed there. The first one is called electrostatic force. The second one is called electric field. The third one is called electric potential and potential energy. And the fourth one is called the capacitors. This is all about advanced physics Form 5. Do you understand? If you understood, let me know in the chat or in the comment section. Now, our main first topic that every student must cover and master it is mechanics. So advanced mechanics is being broken into 8 topics based on the new syllabus, and I've summarized here so that you can take a note of it, because maybe when I've been navigating through the book, then we did not take the note. So this is, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students, this is 8 topics of mechanics based on physics new syllabus for advanced secondary education from 5 through from 6, 2023. Chapter 1 is called what? Measurement. Chapter 2 is called what? Scientific investigation. Please take a note, write that. Chapter 3, and pause the video if I'm going quickly or I'm teaching quickly, Newton's law of motion, or Newton's law, which is equilibrium forces on a body and collision. Chapter 4 is called what? Projectile motion. Chapter 5 is called what? Uniform circular motion. Chapter 6 is called what? Gravitation. Chapter 7 is called what? Rotation of the rigid body. And chapter 8 is called the fluid mechanics. These are the 8 topics of advanced mechanics. Good news. It's good news, but it's good news with challenge. Yeah, it's challenge. You have to work hard, otherwise you will hate mechanics. So dear students, I would like to ask and I would like to advise you, in your first term, you must cover mechanics during your pre-form 5 and during the first term of your school. It means that from July, so pre-form 5 programs begin in February to June to July, and then the first term begins from July to November. So from February and to November, make sure that you master mechanics. You learn all the 8 topics, and you read different books, and you solve so many questions. In each topic of mechanics, I recommend every student you must solve, or when it be taught, at least you must be taught fluid mechanics or maybe uniform circular motion with aid of at least 40 examples. And then you find your 40 what? Your other 40 what? Your other 40, or even 40 examples, you find other 60 new questions of that particular topic. So in total, at least the students must be able to solve 100 questions of projectile motion, 100 questions of uniform circular motion, 100 questions of gravitation, 100 questions of rotations of the rigid body, 100 questions of the fluid mechanics, 100 questions of Newton's law, and at least 50 questions of scientific investigation, 100 questions of measurement. If you don't solve, or you don't solve so many problems, then in examination, mechanics will deny you. Unatakiwa kufanya maswali mengi. So 100 for each topic times what? 800. Angalau ufanye maswali 800 ya mechanics na uyaelewe. Usipofanya maswali mengi, manake nataka nikwambie kabisa kwamba mechanics ya kidato cha 5 itakusaliti kwenye mtihani. Yaani kwenye mtihani wa ndani na hata kwenye mtihani ya nje, sababu utakutana na swali ambalo hujawahi kuliona, na ukiandika formula unaona kwamba kwa data ulizopewa na yani formula inahitaji mambo mengi au inahitaji quantities nyingi, na wewe kwenye swali umeona chache. Kwa hiyo wanafunzi wangu wa pre-form 5, wa form 5 na form 6, amka. Hiki ndio kipindi kizuri cha wewe kuwa mbabe wa mechanics. Na ukishaweza mechanics, topic zingine zitakuwa kidogo afadhali kwako. Mechanics ikushinda, utakuwa unahangaika nayo, hutapata muda mzuri wa kusoma topic zingine. Are we together, my dear students? I will be teaching you and counseling you. As I say that, I thank God who have given me experience in teaching advanced level. So I have experience, I have seen miracles, I have seen the situation beyond of my ability of thinking that it could exist, but I have learned a lot in advanced secondary education. And throughout my education, when you ask me which education was most challenging to you, I will tell you advanced education. And anyone who pursued PCM, PCB, PGM, and PMC and succeeded, either succeeded to continue in university level or not succeeded, they will appreciate. Even if you find a professor, they always appreciate advanced secondary education. Sawa mwanafunzi wangu. Kwa haijalishi utakutana na profesa ambaye amesoma ana degree 3, amesoma mpaka mwisho wa shule, lakini ukimuuliza kwamba elimu yako ya chekechea, ya msingi, elimu ya sekondari, O-level manake, elimu ya A-level, haya, elimu ya degree ya kwanza, elimu ya degree ya pili, elimu ya degree ya 3, haya, utafiti wa kuwa profesa, manake ngazi 8 za elimu. Ukimuuliza ngazi ipi ya elimu ngumu, atakwambia elimu ya ngazi ya juu, manake elimu ya sekondari ngazi ya juu, ambayo advanced secondary education. Hatukwambii hivyo ili kukutisha, lakini tunapenda tukueleze ukweli ili ubadilishe fikra zako na ubadilishe mfumo wako unavyochukulia advance. Are we together? I believe that I've spoken a lot, and you have learned a lot of the concept, and you have been enjoying. Na ninaamini sana kwamba umepata kitu cha kusaidia, na naomba pia niseme kwamba kuna swali hapa nimeulizwa. Sasa unaanza lini kufundisha hizi topic according to the new syllabus? Nimeanza leo, nimeanza 2021 na leo na 2026 nitaendelea. 2026 nitaendelea kufundisha mubashara kupitia channel hii, Ratiba ni hii, Jumatatu mpaka Ijumaa nitafundisha kuanzia saa 2:30 usiku mpaka saa 4 usiku hapa. Karibu sana. Kwa hiyo nimejibu maswali ya bwana Wiz Kidman. Kwa hiyo ndio habari njema wanafunzi wetu. Tunapenda kusema kwamba tumekufundisha au tumeandaa, tumefanya kile ambacho Mungu alichotujalia kuweza kufanya. Hapa ndo mwisho wa kipindi chetu cha siku ya leo. Tunaomba ujiunge na sisi kwenye kipindi kijacho siku ya Jumatatu, ambapo tutaanza sasa kuingia ndani ya haya yote ambayo nilikuwa nimekuahidi kwamba nitakufundisha. Kisha unapata hivyo vitabu. Homework yangu ni kwamba tafuta vitabu vya rejea angalau 5. Mimi nimekuonyesha namna kutafuta vitabu 3, wewe tafuta vitabu 2, wewe tafuta vitabu vingine 3, ili tuweze kusoma vizuri na kuelewa vizuri. Mungu wangu akubariki. Tumshukuru Mungu kwa ajili ya muujiza wale alikuwa ameufanya. Baba yetu na Mungu wetu, tunasema asante kwa rehema zako na baraka zako. Asante kwa ajili ya kipindi hiki cha msingi ambacho Mungu umekiandaa kwa ajili ya watoto wako wa nchi ya Tanzania katika mikoa yote 31. Na wakabidhi mikononi mwako, wape hekima na maarifa, nami unipe nguvu za Roho Mtakatifu nipate kuwafundisha vizuri, waelewe na kufurahia na kupata wepesi na kuona uwepo wa Mungu ndani ya safari yao ya kujifunza somo la fizikia kidato cha 5 na kidato cha 6. Tunaomba hayo katika jina la Bwana wetu Yesu Kristo. Amen. Thank you very much. Congratulations. You are warmly welcome in the next session. May God bless you and keep you until we meet. Bye bye. Asante sana, asante sana, asante sana. Tumepata wanafunzi, walikuwa wanafunzi 19 mbashara. Ninaamini kabisa wataongezeka siku hadi siku.